Why are so many Americans dissatisfied with the economy, despite the lowest unemployment rates? What factors are contributing to this dissatisfaction? How does inflation and the cost of living impact the perception of the economy? These are the questions that lie at the heart of our discussion today. We find ourselves in a perplexing situation. On one hand, we see a surge in job growth, a promising sign of a robust economy. But on the other hand, we also see a rising tide of dissatisfaction among Americans, a sentiment that seems to contradict the positive economic indicators. The paradox begs us to delve deeper and explore the underlying factors. We will venture into the realm of inflation, a silent thief that erodes the value of hard-earned money. We will dissect the cost of living, which seems to be on an unending upward spiral. And finally, we will scrutinize the quality of jobs being created, a factor that might be overshadowed by the sheer quantity of job growth. As we delve deeper, we will uncover the hidden layers of this economic dissatisfaction. Let's embark on this journey of understanding together. First, let's tackle inflation. It's a term we hear often, but what does it truly mean for the average American? Inflation, in simplest terms, is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. It's like a silent thief, quietly diminishing the buying power of your money. Right now, we're in a period of high inflation. The prices of everyday items are on the rise, from the groceries you buy to the gas you put in your car. Even the cost of your morning coffee has surged. And it's not just consumables feeling the pinch. The housing market is also feeling the heat, with home prices skyrocketing, pushing the dream of homeownership further out of reach for many, especially younger buyers. Higher interest rates are compounding the issue, putting wealth-building opportunities like investments and savings under strain. It's a double-edged sword. On one side, we have job growth and a low unemployment rate, but on the other, we have high inflation and higher prices, offsetting the benefits of these positive economic indicators. As prices rise, the value of money falls, leaving many feeling they're running just to stand still. Next, we turn our attention to the cost of living, a crucial element in any discussion about economic satisfaction. In recent years, the cost of living has skyrocketed, making even the most basic necessities a struggle for many. A prime example is housing. The prices of homes have surged, posing a significant challenge, especially for younger buyers. Imagine being a young adult, fresh out of college, burdened with student loans, and trying to navigate the already complex world of adulthood. Now add the challenge of trying to afford a home in this economic climate. It's a daunting task, to say the least. The surge in home prices isn't just a number on a screen or a headline in the news. It's a barrier to one of the most fundamental aspects of the American dream: homeownership. Young adults are finding it increasingly difficult to take that first step onto the property ladder, causing them to delay other significant life milestones. This isn't just about owning a home. It's about building wealth, creating stability, and planning for the future. With home prices surging, the American dream of homeownership is becoming increasingly elusive for many. Finally, we must address the quality of jobs. Despite low unemployment rates, are these jobs providing a livable wage? It's important to understand that while job growth is surging, the majority of these jobs are in lower wage occupations. This trend is causing a ripple of concern and despair, particularly among younger adults who are just starting their careers. Let's take a closer look. A recent report by CNBC sheds light on this issue. It reveals that despite the positive macroeconomic data, the high cost of living, coupled with the growth of lower wage jobs, is offsetting the benefits of job growth. Think about it. If the jobs being created are not paying enough to cover the cost of living, what good is a low unemployment rate? The surge in home prices and the increase in the cost of goods and services are making it difficult for individuals, especially younger buyers, to keep up. So, this isn't just about job growth. It's about the quality of these jobs too. It's about whether these jobs are paying enough to afford a decent life. So, while jobs may be plentiful, the quality and pay of these jobs leave many Americans wanting more. As we've seen, the economy is more than just numbers and rates. It's about the lived experiences of individuals and families. Let's take a moment to recap what we've uncovered. We've examined the role of inflation, which, despite its seemingly harmless presence, has a profound impact on the purchasing power of the dollar, making everyday goods and services more expensive. We've also delved into the cost of living, a factor that's been on a steady rise, making it harder for many to afford homes and maintain a comfortable lifestyle. The surge in home prices has especially impacted younger buyers, adding to their economic worries. Lastly, we've touched upon the quality of jobs. Despite job growth and low unemployment rates, there's a growing concern about the proliferation of lower-wage occupations, which raises questions about the nature of the prosperity these jobs are supposed to bring. All these factors contribute to the disparity between positive economic indicators and public sentiment. It's not merely about job numbers, but the quality of life these jobs provide. In the end, the economy, to many Americans, is not simply about having a job. It's about the quality of life that job provides, and in this respect, the current economy seems to be falling short.